This is the little stream behind my house. I've never seen it anywhere near this huge. It's usually a trickle. Look at the water coming over this rock. This is usually where we walk just to come out and see the little stream. There is about 4 to 5 feet deep. I've never seen the water come up so high that it comes on this path here. It's at least 2 to 3 feet higher than it normally is. This section of the stream usually has 2 or 3 small little branches that branch out. Now there's so much water that it's flooded this whole area. It's at least 20 to 30 feet across. The main part of the stream is over there by those trees, but you can see this whole floodplain with the grasses in it has water all the way across, and it spreads about 40 to 50 feet on the other side of where the normal channel is. And you can see our road out in front of our house. There's 2 culverts that go under it that aren't big enough for the water flow. So not only is it going over the top of the road there through the willows, but it's backing up this other stream. You can see these cattails here. Those are about 4 foot tall, and they're about 3 feet underwater right now. This is another little drainage creek behind our house that's a tributary to the main one, which you can see through the bushes there. I don't think I've ever seen this flow with water like this. This is insane. It's usually a tiny trickle. Now it's a full-fledged stream. This is on our neighbor's property. I've never seen water run over that waterfall before. This is the first time it's ever filled up since we've been here for the last 1.5 years. Unfortunately, there's a lot of garbage in his property, but it goes under our driveway, comes out this culvert, and runs down that little wash there. Here's where our creek comes across the road in front of our house. I've never seen it flow over the top of the road before. Here's the other side of the cattail swamp that I was standing on. And obviously the road's impassable, and it might even get washed out, considering this is still draining off of heavy rain and it's still raining. And there's a stream going down. There it is coming off of our property.